Are YouTube captions not showing up on your videos? In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So head over to any of the video and play it. At the top right, you're going to find this CC option. You will need to click on that. With this, it has been enabled. If still it is not appearing, not every video has caption. The uploader may not have added captions. Likewise, you can click on the settings icon and head over to the option Captions. From here, you can select the language, or you can set it to auto-translate. Now you can check for the updates for the app YouTube. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. If you find the option of update, you will need to click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now you can check whether captions are available or not, or else what you want to do is completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the YouTube app. Select Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then head over to App Store or Play Store again and install it. Now your problem might be fixed. Lastly, you can check the server status of YouTube. For that, close this and launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website down detector, search for YouTube. If you found out any server outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. These are some fixes for caption not available on YouTube videos. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.